and welcome to my Sears Victoria makeup tutorial. So to start out, I'm putting on some moisturizer. This just helps with my skin and my foundation. Here I am putting on my foundation. Also, I'd like to note that this makeup is heavily inspired by British 90s like makeup trends, also paired with like a natural look. I feel like Seras, she doesn't really put that much time and effort into her makeup, so I don't want this to be a heavy makeup look. But at this point in the series, she is a vampire, so it's just kind of like a stereotype that vampires are beautiful. And not to say that Seras wasn't pretty as a human, but I feel like as a vampire, her aesthetic game, I feel like, you know, she's leveled up a little bit, so I am adding just a little bit of a slight glam-ish look to this, but again, it's not a heavy makeup look. And concealer. Then I'm starting on the eyes with a light nude color on the lids and upper brow bone. Then I'm hollowing out my eyes with a lightish, orangish eyeshadow color. I'm sticking to a lot of warm tones here. I also bring that warm color onto my lower lash line. Then I darken the corners of my eyes with a slightly darker warm tone. And I blend it out using the first lightish warm tone from before. Then for the eyeliner, I'm going in with a dark reddish brown eyeshadow and lining my upper lid. I feel like Seras wouldn't really wear eyeliner, so I'm opting to do this method instead so that the look doesn't look so harsh and drawn on. Then I'm putting pencil liner in the outer corners of my eye. I do this to round my eyes out more and make them look closer to Seras's eye shape. Then I apply mascara to my upper and bottom lashes. If you want to use fake lashes for this part, go for it, but I personally don't think Seras would wear fake lashes, and in the anime and manga, she's not really characterized with very long lashes anyways, but if you feel like you need some lashes for this part, go for it. Then I just shape in and fill in my natural eyebrows. If you guys want to change up your eyebrow shape, go for it. I just felt like my natural brows worked just fine. And I'm doing contouring to make my face more closely match hers from the manga and anime. So to do that, I am accentuating my nose, my temples, and my jawline. Then I'm adding some powder foundation and a little bit of highlighter because vampires sparkle, right? And then for the lips, I'm drawing on my lips a little bit bigger, again following the more 90s trend with a pencil liner. I'm just drawing them in and filling them in with the pencil liner because I don't want a very heavy makeup look for Seras. But if you want to use a lipstick to fill this in, go for it. I definitely would recommend to stick with a natural shade though. And then the wig, if you want to see how I styled it, then I add on my Alucard Vampire Bites. To do this, I just layered brown and red eyeshadows using a circular motion on a fine makeup brush. But you could also use eyebrow pencils or get special effects makeup and go super crazy with this, but I just wanted to make these look kind of like low-key scars, if that makes any sense. And then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for any Seras Victorias out there. I'd also like to take a moment to thank JKForRealz for shooting the intro and outro videos, as well as SVATTII for helping with lighting. Let me know what tutorial you guys want to see next in the comments below. And if you guys do use this tutorial, please tag me on all my social media, which you can find in the description below. Thank you guys so much, and bye!